With the rise of cyber attacks and hacking, cybersecurity is more important than ever before. It's important to take steps to protect your personal and business information. And in this video, we'll show you how to prevent hackers from gaining access to your information. Step 1. Use strong passwords and authentication methods. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase numbers and symbols to create strong passwords that are difficult to guess. Also consider implementing multi-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Step 2. Keep software and systems up to date. That is regular updates for all software and systems, including operating systems and applications, to patch vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. Step 3. Use firewalls and antiviral software. Install and regularly update firewalls and anti-malware software to protect against viruses, malware, and other types of attacks. Step 4. Use encryption. Encrypt all sensitive data, both in transiting and at rest, to prevent unauthorized access. Step 5. Limit access to sensitive data to only those you need it, and regularly review and audit all access privileges. Step 6. Educate people around you on cybersecurity best practices, including how to recognize and report suspicious activity, how to secure passwords, and how to avoid attacks like phishing. Step 7. Regularly assess the security of your system and infrastructure to identify all the vulnerabilities and take steps to mitigate them. Step 8. Implement physical security measures such as locked server rooms and surveillance cameras to protect against unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of a successful hack or a cyber attack. And remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process, and you should regularly review and update your security measures to stay ahead of new threats. And always don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you've liked this video. And if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit that bell so that you see all our future videos. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.